Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn off OneDrive notification on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off OneDrive notifications on Windows 10 computer, go to Start menu, click on Settings, then click on System. In left pane, click on Notifications and Actions. Now scroll down. Here under Get Notifications from the Senders, you will find OneDrive. Click on OneDrive and notifications are turned on right now. Just click here to turn it off. Now OneDrive notifications are turned off in my Windows 10 computer. This is the easiest way to turn off OneDrive notification on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.